Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix Wi-Fi adapter missing in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, make sure that you have installed your Wi-Fi drivers to your computer. You may need to download it depending on the brand that you're using or your motherboard. So take a minute to check it on your computer or laptop. Next, click on the search button on your desktop, then enter Services. In the Services window, navigate to WLAN Autoconfigure. Next, right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic and click on the Start button to run it. Now click Apply and OK button. Now navigate to WLAN Autoconfigure and right-click on it. Select Properties in the pop-up, then set the startup type to Automatic. Now click on the Start button to run the service. Click Apply and OK. Now you can try to check whether that works for you or not. Another way you can fix it is to simply restart your computer and reset your network. The simple restart can fix many issues happening on the background that causes for your Wi-Fi adapter missing, so you can try it. That's about it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much.